Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Today's, not only from a price action perspective, was a monster, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $2.35. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above $2.35, that would definitely be a huge sign of power for the bulls. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're just looking for a very simplistic way to look at this, saying, look, Clay, I just want to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, then use that purple line. As the purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, if it can stay above 235, that would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in 100% control of the overall trend. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as levels of resistance are concerned, initial one is more of a short-term one. Good news is the price didn't close terribly far away from it, but that's right here at $2.55. You can see this afternoon several times the price tried to bounce back up above there, but almost like a little miniature channel here formed with the top of that channel being 255. In the event the bulls can push through 255, then the next key overall level is just where the party stopped today, and that's up there at $2.70. All in all, though, any way you slice it, very, very nice move on the day. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.